Hey guys, welcome to Education for You. So guys, we will discuss today about top 20 questions related to sports. Okay? तो आज हम लोग स्पोर्ट्स के बारे में डिस्कस करने वाले हैं. So let's start the class. Question number 1. ईरानी ट्रॉफी रिलेटेड टू विच गेम? ओके, तो ईरानी ट्रॉफी कौन से गेम से रिलेटेड है? सो इसका आंसर है क्रिकेट. ओके, सो ईरानी ट्रॉफी इज रिलेटेड टू cricket. So all these questions are important for upcoming exam because this type of questions are asked in either bank exam or SSC exam or any kind of competitive exams that you will appear. This type of questions are usually asked. Then where is the headquarter of International Table Tennis Federation? तो International Table Tennis Federation का headquarter कहाँ पर है? So the answer is Lausanne, स्विट्जरलैंड. ओके, तो स्विट्जरलैंड के लॉजेन नाम की जगह पर इंटरनेशनल टेबल टेनिस फेडरेशन का हेडक्वार्टर है. देन व्हेन फर्स्ट फुटबॉल वर्ल्ड कप वाज ऑर्गेनाइज्ड? सो इट वाज ऑर्गेनाइज्ड इन 1930 in Uruguay. Okay, first football world cup was held in 1930 and in which place? In Uruguay. Then who is known as the golden girl? So golden girl PT Usha, she is also known as Paoli Express. Okay, Paoli Express. So PT Usha is a Indian athlete and she is known as Golden Girl or Paoli Express. Then the term bunker related to which sport? So it is related to polo. Bunker, it is related to which sport? Is related to polo. ICC T20 World Cup 2020 will be held in. तो ICC क्रिकेट 2020 में कौन सी जगह पर ICC T20 क्रिकेट वर्ल्ड कप होगा? सो इट विल बी हेल्ड इन ऑस्ट्रेलिया. ओके, ऑस्ट्रेलिया इज द वेन्यू फॉर ICC T20 क्रिकेट वर्ल्ड कप 2020. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Separate winter Olympic game began from. So we have two type of Olympic. One is Winter Olympic and one is Summer Olympic. The separate Winter Olympic game began from which year? It began from 1924. Then from which year India officially participate in Olympic game? तो कौन सी year से इंडिया ने Olympic game पर officially participate किया? So from 1920. And in the Olympic game that held in Antwerp in Belgium, and it was 6th Olympic game, 6 number Olympic game, and from that time India participated in officially on Olympic games. Okay, then where first Commonwealth game was held? So Commonwealth game पहले कहाँ पर हुआ था? So it was held in Hamilton, Canada in 1930. Then first Asian Games were held in New Delhi in 1951. Okay, तो Asian Games first time हुआ था कहाँ पर? न्यू दिल्ली 1951 पर हुआ था. Then 2018 means 2018 Asian Games will be held in which country? So this year Asian Games will be held in Indonesia, Jakarta. So this is the venue for 2018 Asian Games. Then when International Cricket Council ICC was founded? So it was founded in 1909. Okay, then who is also known as Mysore Express? Yes, so Javagal Srinath is known as Mysore Express. Which team won first cricket world cup? So West Indies is the team who, and it won the first cricket world cup. Then the term butterfly related to which game? Swimming. Okay, swimming से related एक term है butterfly. Modi Gold Cup related to which game? Hockey. What is the national game of USA? USA का national game क्या है? And it is baseball. 2022 football world cup will be held in. So 2022 का football world cup venue कहाँ पर है? So it is in Qatar. ओके, क्वार्टर 2022 क्वार्टर पर होगा. और T20 2020 T20 कहाँ पर है? इसका वेन्यू ऑस्ट्रेलिया पर है. Then when first IPL Indian Premier League was held? So it was held in 2008. So from 2008 it started, and till now this game is being played by the players, and it's a very famous or popular game. Where is the headquarter of BCCI? So it is in Mumbai. Okay, so these 20 are the top questions from sports, and I hope these questions will be helpful for your upcoming competitive exam. So whatever exam you are preparing, it is important तो आप लोग जो भी एग्ज़ाम के लिए प्रिपेयर करें, ये सब क्वेश्चंस बहुत ही important होने वाले हैं. Okay, so I hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please hit the like button, comment below in the comment box, share the video with your friends, and please don't forget to subscribe the channel if you're watching for the first time, and please don't forget to press the notification bell too. Thank you friends, have a nice day, bye bye.